Welcome back to another episode here on Autocrafters for deep dive automotive reviews, where we break down the cars, trucks and SUVs that are turning heads, breaking molds and redefining what it means to drive. Today we're taking a nostalgic yet modern journey into a nameplate that's been brought back from the history books in a way only Subaru could pull off. That's right, the 2025 Subaru Brat pickup. A small truck with big personality, the Brat is one of the most interesting comebacks in recent automotive memory, and trust me, this isn't just a retro gimmick. Subaru has taken the quirks and charm of the original Brat from the late 70s and 80s, then fused them with modern tech, performance and practicality to create a truly unique contender in today's compact pickup market. In this review we're going to go under the skin, exploring the performance specs, design details, interior tech and all the unique selling points that might make you want to add this little powerhouse to your driveway. So buckle up, because the Brat is back and it's better than ever. Before we get into the 2025 model, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The original Subaru Brat, short for By Drive Recreational All-Terrain Transporter, was a quirky little AWD pickup sold from 1978 to 1994. It gained cult status not only for its compact size and off-road ability, but for those infamous rear-facing jump seats in the truck bed, installed mainly to bypass the U.S. chicken tax on imported trucks. It was a vehicle that didn't take itself too seriously, yet it delivered genuine practicality and go-anywhere capability. Fast forward to 2025 and the automotive world is obsessed with compact pickups again. Ford has the Maverick, Hyundai has the Santa Cruz, and now Subaru is throwing its hat in the ring with a vehicle that's equal parts nostalgia and innovation. The 2025 Subaru Brat blends retro inspiration with modern ruggedness. It's built on Subaru's global platform shared with the Outback and Forester, but modified to accommodate a pickup bed. From the front you immediately notice the wide hexagonal grille framed by C-clamp LED headlights, giving it a bold truck-like stance. The Subaru logo is flanked by chrome accents, while the bumper is sculpted for both style and approach angle efficiency. Move to the side and you get a muscular yet compact profile. Subaru has kept the wheel arches pronounced with tough matte black cladding that emphasizes durability. The wheel options range from 17-inch all-terrain alloys on the base trims to 19-inch diamond-cut designs for the limited model. The roof rails are standard, hinting at adventure readiness, and yes, there's an optional roll bar-style sports bar for the bed, which subtly nods to the original Brat's fun-loving spirit. Out back, the tailgate design is clean and minimal, with a large embossed Brat script, a rare bit of bold branding for Subaru. The taillights wrap around in a C shape, ensuring visibility even from the side. Bed length is just under 4.5 feet, short for a traditional pickup but perfect for the target lifestyle crowd. Step inside and you quickly realize that Subaru has made the Brat feel more like a crossover SUV than a bare-bones truck. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen running Subaru's Starlink infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and an intuitive tile-based menu design. Physical climate controls are integrated into the lower screen area but have haptic feedback to make them more tactile. Materials are a mix of soft touch plastics, durable synthetic leather and rugged rubberized trims in high-touch areas, ideal for outdoor lifestyles. The higher trims even offer water-resistant Startex upholstery, so you don't have to worry about wet gear or muddy clothes. The seating position is slightly elevated compared to the Outback, giving better visibility over the road. Rear seat space is surprisingly good for a compact pickup, with enough legroom for adults. Folding the rear seats opens up extra cargo storage for gear that you don't want exposed in the truck bed. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated Boxer 4 producing 182 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque, paired to Subaru's Lineartronic CVT. This setup is aimed at efficiency and daily drivability, giving a smooth ride and delivering around 27 miles per gallon combined. A 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 with 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, also paired to the CVT but with simulated gear steps for a more natural feel. This is the one you want if you're towing, hauling or just enjoy spirited driving. All-wheel drive is standard on every Brat, of course. This is Subaru after all. The system is tuned for both on-road stability and genuine off-road capability, with X mode for slippery conditions and hill descent control. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in around 7.0 seconds, with the turbo making it one of the quicker options in the compact pickup segment. Towing capacity 3,500 pounds for the turbo version, enough for small campers, boats or dirt bikes. Payload maxes out around 1,500 pounds, which is competitive for its size. The Brat rides on a fully independent suspension. McPherson struts up front, double wishbones in the rear, tuned to strike a balance between comfort and capability. Subaru has given it 8.7 inches of ground clearance, matching the Outback Wilderness and ensuring it can clear rough trails without drama. On the road the steering feels light but precise with good feedback, the compact size makes city driving a breeze and the AWD system works seamlessly to keep things planted in rain or snow. Off-road it's no rock crawler, but thanks to Subaru's traction control logic and approach departure angles it handles gravel roads, muddy trails and light rocky paths with confidence. The 2025 Subaru Brat isn't trying to replace a full-size truck, and it's not meant to. It's here to give you just enough pickup utility wrapped in a stylish adventurous package that fits into your daily life without compromise. For weekend adventurers, urban dwellers who want some hauling ability, and Subaru enthusiasts longing for a bit of the past, the Brat delivers in spades. Sure, the bed is small and you won't be towing a large trailer, but that's not the point. This is a vehicle that's about fun, freedom and functionality in equal measure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Subaru Brat, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Autocrafters for more in-depth car content, and let me know in the comments what you think of Subaru bringing back the Brat name. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.